Welcome to another episode of Ask the Heidolf Rep. My name is Franklin Limpin with Heidolf North America, and today we're going to be talking about our peristaltic pumps. Our peristaltic pump system is comprised of our motor drive, pump head, and tubing. And some of the features and benefits of our peristaltic pump system are that it's self-priming up to 30 feet. You have no cross-contamination of your products, and it's very simple and easy to switch out your samples by just simply changing out the tubing. We also offer several tubing materials and sizes to meet your specific application needs. At Heidolf, we offer 6 different pump drives and 3 different pump heads, so please feel free to contact your local Heidolf specialist to assist you in selecting the best option for your needs. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Ask the Heidolf Rep. Again, my name's Franklin Limpin. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the information listed below.